Doctors could not find the reason why this 14-year-old girl could not breathe. Favour Bangura from Sierra Leone had severe breathing difficulty. Doctors ran many tests, but no one could find the cause. Her mother had previously used Med Access India for her son's treatment, so she contacted Med Access again for help. Our team connected Favour with top specialists in India, a pediatric cardiologist, pulmonologist, and hepatologist. Heart tests were normal. Lung tests showed pulmonary hypertension, but the cause was still unknown. Finally, doctors discovered the real cause, a rare liver condition called Abernethy syndrome, a condition so rare that many doctors never see it. Doctors recommended liver transplant surgery, giving Favour a real chance for a healthy future. After months of uncertainty, the family finally had answers. Med Access India helped them find the diagnosis that others couldn't. We create happy patients,